Well friends, here is the next problem. And before going to the problem, let me see the given direction. The given direction is complete the given analogy by selecting the correct answers from the alternatives. The given question is 2:5 is as 8:? Given options are 12, 15, 16 and 17. Friends, to solve this, first let me write the given question, that is 2:5 is as 8:? Okay, see here, this 5 can be obtained when I multiply 2 to 2 and if I add 1, that is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Okay, I will use the same analogy to get the number over here. That means I will multiply 8 by 2, that is 8 into 2 is what? 16. Next, let me add 1, that is what? 17. So, the number here will be 17. Now, let us check the given options. The first option is 12, the second one 15, the third is 16, the fourth one is what? 17, which is the right answer. Well friends, you may be asking me why did I multiply by the 2 itself? Okay, so it is not necessary or it is not compulsory that you need to multiply by 2 only. Even you can multiply by 1, 2, 3, whatever you can do. Only thing is that you need to get the answer, and it comes only by practicing more number of problems, and the only thing is that you need to get the right idea at the right time. Well friends, we'll see some more problem.